today we're so happy to see the sunrise after days of heavy rain and strong winds.
Buenos dias! Walking in this vast fields of wheat along the beautiful sunrise which we haven't seen for the last 2 days, and with the strong winds that's pushing you back, and yet God towers you with this beautiful sunrise and with this beautiful nature. It is a beautiful day to walk, and with the rays of sunshine guiding you along the way. It is such, there is always beauty in nature, and each day it's such a wonderful day. When Camino, full sunrise, the first day that we saw after the sunrise after 3 days. Beautiful. When Camino. As we walk this beautiful path, we are walking amidst the strong and windy day. That winds, strong winds that blocks your eyes from seeing afar, and you seem to walk and see only the path that you're walking. You see the small stones, the small gravel, the sand, and the plants just within your eyesight. And there you realize that you're leaving marks of your feet. Just like in life, are you making a mark of difference or indifference? Are you making a mark that is beautiful or complicated? Are you leaving a mark that is distinguishable or a little bit unrecognizable? Yes, this is the path we take. The path we take is for us to choose and decide. Then Camino! Small towns and villages, you will see the difference. Truly, it's not what you accomplish, but it's what you feel. It's not what you have, but it's what you live behind. Truly, there are limits to your physical abilities. There are limits to what you can do, but there are no limits to being grateful and thankful, and there are no limits to being efficient. Then Camino! We're here in Mansilla, en las Mullas. Gracias, señor.
Me llamo Bani, mi esposa Tess. ¿Cómo te llamas? Álvaro. Álvaro from Mansilla de las Mullas.
Mansilla.
Mansilla de las Mullas.
Gracias. Okay.
Buen camino.
Gracias.
we're in Mansilla, delas Mullas.
Mansilla.
Mansilla.
Delas Mullas. With Anita?
Anna.
My name is Tess.
I'm Bunny.
Yeah.
We're staying in this beautiful house. Muy bonito habitación. Por
Okay.
esta noche.
Okay, gracias.
Gracias.
Bye-bye. Oh, this is our bedroom for today. Bunny booked practically a whole house. So nice. It's really nice. And then there's another bedroom over here with 2 beds. Wow, this is nice. Nice. And then they have beddings here and towels. And this is the bathroom. So cute. It's really cute. And so smells nicely. This is a nice place. Practically, so this is the This is a whole house, Bunny. This is our living room, our dining. There's a television. There's the cabinets which we can use. Oh no, that smells so nice, Bunny. And this is a washing machine which we can use. And then they have. This is our accommodation for tonight. This is practically a whole house. So when you enter, this is the stairs. You climb the stairs. Practically the whole house. Okay, so this is the stairs. Going to the first floor. They have windows, nice window. And you will see this living room. Smells so nice. Living room, dining table, another dining table, the kitchen, the washing machine. Okay, all this nice utensils and the glasses and champagne glass. And then there's a bathroom here. Okay, that's the nice smell. This house is really very well taken care of. Nice. So this is our second floor. And then when you enter the third floor, there's some stairs and some paintings. So it's nice floor. Nice, so smell nice. This is the towels and some bed sheets, and this is the bathroom. Smells so nice. And then this is our there's our bedroom. And then with some cabinets. So cute. Yeah, so cute. So this is our bedroom. And then it's a cute little window and some posters hanging on the walls. And this is another bedroom. And there's another television. This is quite huge. Okay, so this is our accommodation for the night. Such a huge, it's actually a house. It's bigger than an apartment in Hong Kong. It's so cute. We're having our lunch here. Lunch. Already very hungry.
What's this already?
I don't know, but this is not the place that we're staying. We're staying in another house.
and then we just eat here. So for lunch.
Bunny, this is Tess.
Mr. Lee.
Mr. Lee from Germany
She's entering his Camino tomorrow.
Yes.
will be in Lyon
Yes.
and fly back to via Madrid, fly back to Germany.
Yes.
So we wish you a blessed trip back to Germany.
Okay. Okay.
Vaya con Dios.